Hi folks, Russ here with ProSteamUK. We're specialists in carpet and upholstery cleaning. We also clean flooring as well, so that's Carndine, Antico, and also this type of flooring. And we're in a community centre. This type of flooring is actually commercial vinyl, but it's special because it's textured. It has like a non-slip surface to it, coating put on the top of it. And this type of flooring can be very, very challenging to clean and to keep clean. And just to show you what a difference we can make to flooring like this, and there's a lot of it. Well folks, this is the machine that we use. Most other companies will use a rotary machine. The problem with a rotary machine, it can't get into the corners and it can't get right to the edges, whereas this machine can. And it uses an oscillating pad rather than a circular motion, and it works very, very well indeed. And as we can see, it's lifting that dirt from the surface of the flooring. Right, well, this is the extraction stage, and we're using high pressure water and high pressure vacuum, and this is a spinning tool, so it's got two jets that are spinning, similar to what you might use on your patio, but as you can see, it's really lifting that dirt. Like I said, this is a textured surface on this type of flooring. It's safety flooring, and it's very challenging to clean. With the right equipment though, you can actually achieve excellent results, as you can see. Right, well, that's one of the halls finished, and as you can see, quite a difference when you look at this part that obviously we haven't done yet, and then you look at that hole there. So there you have it, folks. We're making good progress, and we're getting through it. 5 to 5, and we have finished. So we've cleaned all the safety flooring in this community centre today. And we're going to have a little walk through. We've done all the safety flooring that leads to the toilets. Okay, that includes the edging as well. We've done all that. We've also cleaned the flooring in the kitchen, and we've managed to do right underneath the units as well. Okay, and then out here is the main entrance, and this was the most challenging area. And so this is looking really nice now. We've removed all the dirt from this floor. And some toilets there we've also cleaned as well, the flooring in there. So there you have it, folks. This is very, very durable flooring. It will last years and years, providing it's cared for, and it must be cleaned regularly. Okay, busy community centres, I would suggest every 12 months. That's what we suggest. Keep on top of it. These floors will last 15 to 20 years easily. There you go. Thanks for watching.